Hi, hello, welcome to mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 5.3 from data handling 8th class ncert. Question number 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting a prime number, not a prime number, a number greater than 5, a number not greater than 5. If we thrown a die, then we have to list the outcomes of an event of getting. So, if we throw a die, we have to list the number of outcomes. Okay. Let's take a die, then you will get a better understanding. I'm sure that. So let's take a die. This is a die. You may all familiar with these dice. So it has 6 faces, right? So that's why it is numbering as 1, 2, 3, 5, 4 and 6. If you plot these dice into a cardboard or any paper, the answer may be like this. See here. See this 1 and 1, 3, 3, 2. In the below of 3 we have 5 and 4 and 6 like this. Based on this we have to list out the outcomes of an event getting here. So when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting. So we have to list the given outcomes according to the questions. Here a prime number. See here in this die we have 6 faces according to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. In this we have to list out the prime numbers, not a prime numbers. Outcome is nothing but the chance of occurring. So it means we know that prime numbers are prime numbers. In this we have prime numbers 2, 3 and 5. Non-prime numbers remaining 1, 4 and 6. These are the events of getting in this dice. Okay, so see here a prime number, so we have to find the outcomes of an event occur. So we have to list out that it is the chance of having 2, 3 and 5. Not a prime number. It is 1, 4, 6. This is the answer for these 2 questions according to the die. Next, a number greater than 5. Now here we have to think apart from the prime numbers. So number greater than 5, it means greater than 5 we have only 6. So there is a chance of getting 6 only. Here a number not greater than 5, it means not greater than 5, it is less than the 5. What is the list? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Not greater than 5. It means including 5 also. That's why answer is up to 5. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.